yini intersex?
So ukuba intersex, it means umuntu onobulili obudevelopa differently ngendlela ehlukile from umuntu owesilisa noma owesifazane. So ubulili angithi siyasonke ukuthi sikubona at birth. So for umuntu intersex kungavela ukuthi intersex at birth ngokuthi ubulili bakhe kuhluke ngenxa yokuthi mengabe ingane is develop esiswini samawayo, wonke umuntu uqala off flat, and then the part that is a clitoris kwintombazane, then sithi
Clitoris upontshisi ngesizulu.
Siyabonga. And then that part mengabe angithi kuba khona ama chromosomes nezinto ezenzeka ku DNA yomuntu as ingane ikhule eswini, ikhule the clitoris mekuthi ingane izobomfana, the clitoris grows out and becomes a penis. Then makuthi izoba umfana, the ovaries asuke ngaphakathi, they develop into testes, they come outside the body to make testes. So for ingane ezovela